Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of sending money from Cashapp to Temu, which is a popular digital payments platform in 2023, of course. So by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to transfer your funds seamlessly. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you have your browser, you can simply go to this URL section, type cash.app and hit the enter button. And of course here you will have to go and log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll not be able to register from here. So make sure to go and scan this QR code or go to your phone, iPhone or Android and download the Cash app and go and create your account from there. So once you created your account and logged in into your account, before you can send, of course, your money from Cashapp to Temu, ensure that your Cash App account has sufficient funds. So make sure to tap on your balance tab and follow by add cash button if you don't have funds example, and enter the desired amount that you wish to add and choose your preferred funding source as a linked bank account as example or debit card, and confirm these transactions to add funds to your Cash App account. And of course, to transfer money from Cash App to Temu, there is two options. There is the easier option, the popular option, but it's not always available. So to transfer money from Cash App to Temu, you will need to link your Temu account. So you can simply go to settings menu in Cash App and select the link account and choose the add bank or card. Locate Temu in the list of available option and follow the prompt to enter your Temu account details. And once completed, your Temu account will be successfully linked. Of course, now that your account is connected, you can simply go and send your money from Cash App to Temu. On the Cash App home screen, tap on the send button, enter the recipient's Temu username or the email address associated with their Temu account, and double check the details to ensure accuracy. And of course, before confirming the transfer, make sure to review the transaction details on the next screen and ensure of course, and ensure that you enter the correct amount and recipient's information, and take a moment to verify everything is accurate to avoid any errors. Once you reviewed everything, the transfer details, you can tap on confirm button to initiate the transaction, and Cash App will process the transfer from your Cash App account to the recipient Temu account. And of course, after transfer is complete, you'll receive a confirmation email message on the app, and you can also check your transaction history to verify the successful transfer of funds. And of course, if you didn't find the option of Temu to link your account, there is the other option using a Paxful. So first, we'll have to open a new tab as an example and go here, type temu.com. And first, of course, if you don't have an account on Temu, you'll have to go and log in into it. And if you have an account, simply go and create log in into it. But if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create an account. This will be pretty simple. You can do it by your own. Follow the prompts to create or log in into your account, and you'll be good to go. Of course, here as an example, if you want to buy anything, as an example, I have an item on the shop. As you can see, you'll be able to pay with PayPal. So we'll even use PayPal on this option, which is the second option. So we'll need Temu, Paxful, and PayPal. So if you want to send money from Cash App to our Temu or to pay, as an example, for this one with PayPal, we can simply, as an example, go to open a new tab and type paxful.com. So we'll have to go and send money from Cash App to PayPal, and simply once you have your money in your PayPal, that means you have it on your Temu because you'll be able to pay with this everything. Not even in Temu, even in other websites, as an example. Once you are on your Paxful account, of course, make sure to go and log in into your account if you have one. If you don't have an account, go and create an account. And simply, once you are here, make sure to verify your email address, phone number, and even enable this two-factor authentication so you'll be secured. Of course, verifying your phone number and email address will be necessary so you can use this website. Once you're all set up, you can simply go to this buy and click on this drop down menu, go and click on buy thither, and here we'll have to go and buy our Cash App. So pay via, here we're just going to type Cash App and choose it from here. The currency will be USD, offer location worldwide, and click on find offers. Here we'll go and find the offers that we like depending on the price, minimum and maximum purchases, trade speed, if they have any necessary options that you have, if they are verified or not, and if they have a good amount of positive feedbacks. Once you're sure that you would like to buy from this one, you can simply go and click on buy, And here you'll have to go and type the amount that you would like to send from your Cash App to your PayPal or to Temu directly. So here as an example, I just type 500, and of course that will get you this amount of USDT. So once you're good, of course, as you can see, you'll have to go and verify your email and phone number so you can buy. Once you verify them, you'll find the buy option here. Of course, click on it and you'll have to go and provide them with your PayPal account, and he will send the funds to your PayPal account. Once you have the funds there, you can simply go, or sorry, you will have to go and pay him by Cash App, of course, and you will have your funds on your Paxful account. So sorry, that's my bad. And once you do so, you'll have to go to the cell, click on this drop down menu, click on Sell Tether, and here make sure to go and type get paid via PayPal. Simply choose it from here, USD, worldwide, and click on Find Offers. Of course, sell depending on whatever you bought. As an example, if you bought Bitcoin, as an example, or USDC, you can go and sell them also. But I suggest you to go with USDT. Once you are here, go and look again for whatever seller that suits you, depending on the price, the minimum maximum sell, trade speed, if they are verified, if they have a good amount of positive feedbacks, and if they need any further uh, information as an example. Once you choose whatever suits you, you can simply click on buy or sell as an example. You can choose whatever suits you from those. Once you click on sell, of course, here you'll have to go and enter the amount of USDT that you have, or USDT or USD that you would like to have. An example here, you can simply type all. So let's just pretend it's 1000. And as you can see, this will be the amount that you will receive of USD on your PayPal. Once you're done, you can simply go and verify again your email and phone number if they are not verified yet, so you can sell to your to the seller's example. Once you click on sell option, you will find this here after verifying everything. You'll have to go and provide them now with your PayPal account, and once you do so, make sure to sell it, and of course you'll find your funds in your PayPal account, and of course the USDT will disappear from your account in Paxful. Once you have your funds on your PayPal account, you'll be able to have it on your Temu if it's on PayPal. So you'll be able to pay whatever you want. As an example, you can even go and link your PayPal to Temu if you want to. So if you reach this point of this video, well done and congratulations. You've learned how to send money from Cash App to Temu in 2023. Of course, it's a simple and convenient way to transfer funds digitally, so make sure to keep your account linked and enjoy seamless transactions with your family and friends. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the process of sending money from Cash App to Temu. And if you have any further questions or assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below and we will be happy to help you, or you can go and contact the support of any of the website that we used. So until next time, take care and happy transferring. So thank you for watching again, and I will see you in the next video.